This video was sponsored by Pythagoras Magnets. Cool, this is amazing. Chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo. This is amazing. The magnets are super strong. They can hang upside down. I love her outfit and her pigtails. Here's the nurse. Hello, hello, hello. Everything moves, including her arms. Her head rotates. Cool.
I'm taking all of the characters for myself. Mine, mine, mine. Yeah!
Even her torso and her legs. They all move. Here's the construction guy. Look at his freckled face. He's got his overalls. Yeah, love the baseball cap too. Here's the firefighter. He's got his safety helmet on, of course. And the tough policeman. His uniform is awesome. He's got his badge. Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Wow, take a look at these fun new magnets. These are 4 figurines. They're by a company called Pythagoras Magnets. They're an intelligent magnetic construction set for brain development. And there's some fun educational toys. There's a policeman. There's a builder. He's a construction guy. A nurse. And a firefighter, and check it out, he's hanging upside down. Awesome. They're super fun, educational, and you can also mix and match them with other magnetile sets. They're adorable figurines. Check out the cute faces. Can't wait to open them up. And I love the packaging too. They're actually in a gift set box.
Hello.
Hey Patrick.
Now we can finally take the wrapping off. And why is that guy upside down? Whoa. Well, we have 3 boys and 1 girl. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Check out these magnet figurines. What do you think? Oh my goodness, they're so cute.
Upside down. You can't get me, you can't get me. Oh no! Oh! Ah! Whoa, I'm doing a head spin. No! It got me. Let's do more magnetic things.
Yeah, I would love to see what else we can do with the magnets.
I'll go get the next magnet.
So what's our challenge with the fidget spinners?
We have to make them spin on the spinner. Then we have to spin it for 30 seconds.
Yeah.
1, 2, and you cannot keep spinning it. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's do 2 and 2, see how this works. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Fail.
Do you know what you have to do? Look.
Look how they're staying upside down. Cool.
Let's get the next magnet.
Let's see if these guys can hang upside down. And they can. Now shake them really hard. Let's see the next magnets.
They also hang upside down. Look.
I have a magnet board here. Let's see if they can hang upside down. And yes, look at this. Yeah, perfect. They're hanging on. Cool. I also have a bunch of magnets here. They're the magnetiles. We have 2 different kinds of shapes. Squares and also triangles. Let's see, what can we build with this? Maybe a house? We need a floor for our house. Let's make a roof. Peekaboo, I see you in there. Hey, it looks like your house needs fixing. Just gonna hang out over here. You're gonna need me too if your house catches on fire. I'll stand guard over here. This video was sponsored and funded by Pythagoras Magnets. If you'd like to purchase this toy, click the link down below in the description. Click the VIP link for a free ebook.